Everyone, welcome to online class of English First of class 2nd. This is Achal Mittal and I will teach you English First. See, this is the front of your English First book. The book name is Grammatics by the publisher Friends Publication. This is the front page of your book. These are the contents of your book and the first chapter is about word. Today I will explain you about word. So here your first chapter about words. Today I will explain you. See the pictures below and read the words and describe each of them. Here are some pictures already given. You have to read the words and see the picture. First is table, television, bicycle, ball, cow, kite. Now, what is word? Word is a group of letters that are written in a certain order. So, word is a group of letters that are written in a certain order. Second, word is the smallest unit of language which has a meaning. Every word is the smallest unit and all words have a meaning. Third, we can speak or write a word. Fourth, sometimes a single letter can be used as a word. I is such a word. As you know, when we speak a word that is made up of letters. Suppose I am saying table. T is a letter, A is also a letter, B also a letter, L, E both are letter. Together they are making a word. But if we'll here's many letter, but we can say here in this line we are saying sometimes a single letter can be used as a word, means only a single letter also can be a word. So here is I, a single word. Now next, we can make a sentence by writing a group of words in a certain order. We can make a sentence when we will use many words that will make a sentence. Now next, words may describe person, place, objects, action or ideas. Here is some example. I will explain you this line. This line I will explain you by these examples. So first, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a person. Agra, place. Book, object. Eat, action. Respect, idea. So here are person, place, object and actions or ideas. These are the examples. Now come on, what is common word? What is common word? Here is the definition of common words. Words made by joining two different words are called common words. Example, football. Foot plus ball is equals to football. So two words, when we join two words, that makes a common word. Understood? So this is the explanation of your first chapter. Now come on, exercise. This is your first exercise. Page number 6. First exercise. Question is, recognize the things given in the picture below and fill the missing letters to complete their name. Here are some pictures. You have to identify the pictures and you have to fill the letters. Look here in first question, A and E already given you. Identify the picture. Picture is apple. Okay. A and E already given you. What is the spelling of apple? Spelling of apple is APPLE. Apple. So here we will fill double PL because A and E already given. So you have to identify all the pictures and all the missing letters you have to fill. Same as you have to do till question number 28. I have already given you answer of this exercise. First, apple, grapes, mango, banana, rose, lily, tulip, lotus, lion. From here you can write all the answers and you have to learn it. After that you have to do same homework in your revision copy. English first revision copy you have to make, that will be your fold-in copy, and you have to write this exercise in that copy. Same homework, same exercise as given above. This you have to do in your homework copy. Same homework. Okay. Thank you. It is sufficient for today. Next exercise I will give you on next